Fed up with dull breakfasts that take forever to make? Want something fast, delicious, and Instagram-worthy? Today, I'm showing you how to make the perfect avocado toast in 5 minutes. Yep, 5 minutes to the best avocado toast recipe you'll ever taste. Let's do this. Hello, foodies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn simple recipes into gourmet masterpieces. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you don't miss a bite of our tasty content. Today, it's all about that creamy green goodness, the avocado toast that we can't get enough of. First things first, let's talk about what makes a really perfect avocado toast. It doesn't involve smashing an avocado on bread. No. We're leveling this up with layers of flavor, texture, and that health-forward aesthetic we all know and love. Step 1. Ingredients you'll need. Here's what you'll need for this easy avocado toast recipe. 1 ripe avocado, 1 slice of sourdough bread, or your favorite hearty bread, salt and pepper, a squeeze of lemon juice, and toppings like chili flakes, microgreens, cherry tomatoes, a poached egg, or everything bagel seasoning. Pantry staples, all of them, for the best breakfast recipe of all time. Step 2. Toasting the bread. Alright, let's start by toasting our bread. You want a crunchy outside, soft inside, that perfect bite. Toaster, pan, whatever you have, just get that golden crunch. This is a crucial step. This is what will keep your healthy toast recipe from getting soggy and able to hold all that creamy goodness inside. Step 3. Prepping the avocado. While the bread is toasting, slice your avocado in half, pit it, and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and squeeze of lemon juice to keep it fresh and add some zing. Mash it with a fork. Chunky or smooth, your texture choice. This is what gives the toast that creamy, buttery flavor we all love in a clean eating breakfast. Step 4. Assemble your toast. Time to get building. Spread that mashed avocado liberally on your toast. Ready to take it to the next level? Experiment with these topping combinations. Spice lovers rejoice. Sprinkle on some chili flakes and drizzle with hot sauce. For a protein style, top with a perfectly poached egg. Add some color and crunch by topping with radish slices or microgreens. Need more seasoning? Sprinkle on everything bagel seasoning for that gourmet touch. This is where you get creative with your healthy snack recipes. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. And that's it. Gourmet avocado toast in less than 5 minutes. Serve with coffee, tea, or a smoothie for the ultimate morning routine meal ever. And there you have it, guys. Your ultimate guide for the best avocado toast recipe that's easy, quick, and ultra satisfying. If you like this easy breakfast recipe, thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite toppings, and don't forget to subscribe for new trending food concepts every week. Thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Learn how to make the ultimate avocado toast in 5 minutes. This easy breakfast recipe is quick, healthy, and utterly delicious. Whether you're looking for a healthy snack, vegan breakfast, or a speedy brunch idea, this toast has got you covered. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make creamy avocado toast with the best toppings, step by step. Like, comment, and subscribe for more simple food recipes. Follow for weekly uploads of the best food hacks, cooking tips, and viral recipes.